Crazy morning Monday drive. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome to Victor Gatobu's channel, man. You're welcome. If you're new here, click the subscribe button. Let's go. Traffic all day, all day. Kitengela, Kenya, 6:40 on a Monday morning. Yeah, so on my way to work, I'm enjoying this morning drive so much. Currently 5:25 and the sun is about to set and I'm about to leave work. Let's go, guys, and have some fun away from work. So today I was looking sharp. How many of you think I should be dressing like this every day? Do you like the bow tie or not? Leave a comment below. Hey guys, those are a lot of cows, man. Those are a lot of cows. That's a master. Let's go, guys, let's go. Let's go. Yep, that's how it feels like to leave work.